buckets and bring water for the day.
Oh, give me a minute.
A minute? No way. You know, if you will skip this minute, you will be late and the public tap water will go out.
Oh no. I know going right now.
Sonu goes out with buckets. There was already a long line over there. People were standing with buckets in their hands. Suddenly, the flow of the public tap water becomes slow. People start agitating and pushing each other to fill their pail first. Let me fill up my bucket. I am standing since morning 4 o'clock.
No. Let me fill my bucket. You have already filled 2 buckets.
No. I need so much of water at home. Let me fill up my bucket first. अरे जल्दी कीजिए, हमें भी ऑफिस जाना है।
अरे हाँ, हम भी बहुत लेट हो रहे हैं। नहीं, ये कोई तरीका नहीं होता। लेट मी फिल माय बकेट।
पहले मेरी बकेट भरनी दीजिए।
आप दोनों लड़ाई कीजिए, पहले मैं भरूंगा। अरे नहीं, मुझे लेट हो रहा है।
मुझे भी तो लेट हो रहा है, मुझे भरने दो।
ये गलत है। मुझे पहले पानी भरना है। नहीं। Oh no, I think my chance will not come. How will we spend our day without water? Nowadays, this public tap water goes out before time, and now there will be a fresh queue for water tanker.
You know, one water tanker will come and will lead to petty fights.
Very true, my dear. Some of the days, these water tankers do not come. If we are just a little late, then we are not able to fill water for the day.
You are right, Sonu. This one water tanker will not fulfill our basic need of water. Oh yes, it rather leads to more wastage than consumption. Do you know, hand pumps have also dried up in our area.
Suddenly, a noise of a truck. People start shouting and go out.
People do not have access to clean and safe water. Be water wise. Thank you. My dear uncles and aunties, do you know a 15-minute car wash with a hose pipe uses of 100 gallons of water? These 100 gallons can be water for a day of a family. Thank you.
Ma'am told me to use a bowl of water to clean fruits and vegetables rather than running water over them. We can use this water for watering plants. Thank you.
Do you know rainwater harvesting is a practice of holding rain from a building rooftop for later use, such as watering gardens, cleaning or washing cars. This way a lot of water can be saved and used for domestic use. Thank you.
जल के बिना हम कहाँ भागेंगे? जल ही जीवन, जल ही जान, कष्ट तक आ जाते प्राण, अमूल्य है
brushing your teeth. There are steps which we all should follow. Let me share with you. Open the tap, wash your toothbrush, close the tap, apply the toothpaste on it, brush your teeth properly and open the tap, wash your toothbrush, rinse your mouth well and close the tap again. Thank you. Leaky tap once per second can waste 4 liters of water a day. Realize this. Dear friends, I am amazed to know that up to 60% of the human body is water. The human brain is composed of 70% water and lungs are nearly 90% water. Furthermore, about 83% of our blood is water. Not only this, the things we eat are largely dependent on water. Like a tomato is 95% water. A watermelon is about 92% water. Thank you. सुना है भगवान तूने ये संसार रचाया, ये फल फूल ये पेड़ पौधे सब तूने ही बनाया। आज निकला हूँ सैर पर देखने तेरी कारीगरी, कहीं हरियाली कहीं पहाड़ तो कहीं नदियाँ गहरी दिखी। सोचा मन में मैंने अपने जो पानी न होता क्या पीता, कैसे नहाता और किससे कपड़े धोता। ना फल मिलते ना फूल ना सब्जी ना रोटी, सोचा है कभी बिन पानी के खेती कैसे होती। किससे बनता शरबत और किससे बनती दाल, रूखा सूखा जीवन जी के हो जाते बेहाल। फिर भी हमको अकल न आती करते पानी बर्बाद। उस पानी की कदर नहीं जो सबको करे आबाद। सोने से भी मूल्यवान है एक पानी की दाल, जल से ही जीवन है अपने समझ लो यार। धन्यवाद। What's up? I always shine like this. My owner takes great care of me and he uses car shine on me. He does not wash me all the time with water. What about you? Nothing good here, my friend. My owner keeps on washing me as if I am a piece of cloth. I have started rusting because of this. He doesn't care and does not look after me well like you. Your owner is a big fool. He does not know we do not need gallons of water to be wasted on us. We need care and maintenance. Yes, you are right. I hope one day he'll understand. Hey, when will you wash your brain? Who is there? It's me. Where are you looking? Oh, ये मुसीबत यहाँ भी आ गई। Is it you, my darling wife? Oh no, it's me, your beloved car. Oh my God, I can't believe my car is talking. Oh yes, I do have a life, but you are spoiling me. My shine. I have started rusting. Can't you use car shine? Car shine. Do you know how expensive is that? I am very comfortable with this hose pipe wash. My dear owner, you are so selfish. Water is precious. Do not waste it. Car shine is sasta or tikau. It will add life to me. Every day while driving to office, you put on FM and listen to RJ statements about safe water. Doesn't it affect you? You are right. Thank you for making me realize the importance of water. I will use car shine and have a bucket wash instead of hose pipe wash. My pleasure, my owner.
सही कह रही हो। यहाँ इनके घरों में नल का पानी आराम से मिल जाता है ना। इस शहर वालों को पानी की कदर कहाँ। गांव में तो अभी भी दूर से पानी लाना पड़े है। हम तो भैया बहुत ध्यान से पानी इस्तेमाल करते हैं। अरे बीना, कहाँ हो? बस अभी आए बीबी जी। तुझे पता भी है ऊपर छत पर तूने वॉशिंग मशीन लगाई हुई है और तू नल वहीं खुला छोड़ आई है। हुई माँ, गलती हो गई बीबी जी। पता नहीं कैसे खुला रह गया। आती हूँ। तू भी जा, नहीं तो तेरी बीबी जी भी गुस्सा होंगी। मेरी वाली गलती आप मत दोहराना। पानी अनमोल है, इसे बर्बाद मत होने दो। पानी भी बचाना चाहिए। Oh Papa, why are you wasting water? Please close the tap.
ओफो, तुम्हारी टीचिंग खुल के नहाने भी नहीं देते।
Oh Papa, each drop is important.
ओके ओके माय डियर चाइल्ड। तो पानी हमको मिलके बचाना चाहिए। तो पानी हमको मिलके बचाना चाहिए।
Dear husband, go and get some water from the shop. Why? What happened? There is no water in the tap since last night. Not again. This has become a daily job. I'll get late to office again. I don't know how I'll do my household work. It's difficult to work without water. Mama, what are you doing? Will I not take a shower today? No, my child. There is no water in the tap. How will I go to school without a bath? Don't worry. I'll sponsor you with drinking water and put a spray. Nobody will get to know that you didn't take a bath today. Grandpa, I'm thirsty. I need some water to drink. Have some cold drink? No, I want water only. Give me one bottle of water, please. How much for this bottle? 50 rupees. What? 50 rupees? अरे साहब, ये ब्लू बोर्ड है, कोई ऐसी वैसी चीज नहीं। लो भैया, 50 रुपए लो। Oh yes, it's blue gold. We are the ones who have made it blue gold. Never valued it, always misused it. साहब, पानी पिला दीजिए। 2 दिन से पानी नहीं पिया। आसपास के किसी एरिया के नल में पानी नहीं आया। लो भैया, बिस्किट खाओ, अच्छा लगेगा। नहीं साहब, बिस्कुट नहीं, मुझे पानी ही चाहिए। पानी पिला दीजिए, आपकी बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी। Give him some water from your water bottle. Grandpa, why is there no water in the town for the last 2 days? My son, it is because we never saved it. We always wasted. That's why there is no water. Today, we are a bag of dirt, filth, pollution. The water life in us is also dying. This is not me. They do not forget to recharge their phones. They do not forget to fill their stomachs. How can they forget that we also have a life? They pollute us. We need their care.
I was not like this when I was brought here.